Why it has to be included? In India, as per companies auditors report order, what we call CARO. In the audit report, the auditor will specify whether the fixes have been physically verified with the management or not. If you take any company's balance sheet, there you have the audit report. In the audit report, the auditor will specify whether the fixed assets have been verified physically or not by the management. If any discrepancies are there, what action they have taken. Small companies, they can do fixed asset verification every year. Big companies, fixed asset verification in a phased manner. That means first year, one location assets, second year, different location, third year, different location. Like that, they verify the assets. Over a period of 3-4 years, or they verify all the assets because they cannot verify all the locations, all the assets every year. They do in a phased manner. One location, 1 year, next second year, different location, third year, different location. Now, what is the use of this selection? When we create an asset master, there is a field called last verification date. There is a field last verification date. What is the use of last verification date? Let me give, I'm creating five assets like this. It will ask what is the last verification date. First asset is verified on 31st March 19. Second asset is verified on 31st March 20. Third asset 31st March 20. Fourth asset 31st March 2019. Fifth asset 31st March 20. So we can give the verification date, last verification date. Then your auditors are coming for last year for audit. What we do in report, we give 1/4/2019 to 31st March 2020. So that we get list of assets physically verified during the year. So once I give the last year, what are 1/4/19 to 20, what are the assets I have verified, that list will come. That is the advantage of this selection of include asset checkbox and inventory data. And one more thing, yesterday we have selected line item settlement for capital work in progress asset class. Why you have selected line item settlement for capital work in progress asset class? Suppose you are purchasing a machinery even today, 1/5/2020 or today. What we do, we debit to capital work in progress. Today you have purchased, I cannot debit to machine account because the machine has to be installed. It will take 1 week or 10 days or 1 month. The machine should be ready for use. That's why what we do, first when you purchase the asset, we debit to capital work in progress. In India, we call it as capital work in progress. Other countries, they call it as asset under construction. Then you pay transportation charges. This also we debit to capital work in progress. We pay commissioning charges or installation charges on a different date. This also we debit to capital work in progress. On 19/5, any date, asset is commissioned as mission number 1 in department A. This you are capitalized as mission number 1 in department A. Then what we do, settle line item wise from capital work in progress to mission number 1 in department A. We settle line item wise. We settle line item wise from capital work in progress to mission number 1. So that's why we have selected line item settlement. Then why we are not selected include asset checkbox and inventory data for capital work in progress? The reason is the next year the machine can be verified in department A and not in capital work in progress. Once you capitalize, once you put ready for use, then you transfer to respective department. So next year we cannot verify under capital work in progress. That's why you deselect include asset checkbox for CWP asset class. We cannot verify every year. Once that is gone for the respective department, you have to verify in the respective department, not under capital work in progress. These two things what you have done yesterday. Now, the next step is define screen layout for asset master data. Yesterday, what you have done, you copied 6 layouts and created. So when you create the asset master, what fields have to come? We define the screen layout. What fields are required? What fields are optional? What fields are suppressed? So we are creating the layout. When you create the master, what fields have to come? SPRO, financial accounting in brackets new. Set accounting. Master data. Screen layout. Define screen layout for asset master data. Double click on define screen layout for asset master data. Select layout RL1 because we have created 6 layouts in the yesterday's class. RL1 land. RL1 land. Double click on logical field groups folder. Select to posting information. Double click on field group rules folder. Application date, select required entry radio button. Required entry radio button. When you create the asset master, it has to ask what is the date of capitalization. Select main number checkbox. Select sub number checkbox. Select copy checkbox. Now we are saying for main asset, when you purchase, it has to ask the date of capitalization. For sub asset also it has to ask because the depreciation will be calculated from the date of capitalization of sub asset. Then select copy checkbox. What is the copy checkbox? We have created layout RL1. What is the use of this one? By copying existing layout 1000 land. Yesterday, what you have done? You have copied first 6 layouts. You copied this account and created. Afterwards, we create layout RL8. We want to create RL8 by copying RL1 because there is no create button, only copy button. If you select the checkbox, whatever fields you choose selected for RL1 should be copied to RL8 also. Afterwards, when I copy RL1 and create a different layout like RL8, whatever I selected, the same thing will be selected for RL8 also. That is the advantage of copy checkbox. Select save and press enter to save in your request. Select back arrow. Select 3 time dependent data. Double click on field group rules folder. Cost center, select required entry radio button. Why cost center is required, I'll cover afterwards. Because of the cost center, it takes the profit center, which I'm going to cover afterwards. Select main number checkbox. Select sub number checkbox. Select copy checkbox. Under business area, for business area, select option entry radio button. Now we are using profit center, not this business area. Select main number checkbox, sub number checkbox, copy checkbox. So we made two fields required. One is cost center, because from the cost center, it takes the profit center. Then we made calculation date required entry radio button. So when you create the asset, any asset, it lost the date of capitalization. Select save. Select back arrow 2 times. The same process is to be followed for layouts RL2 to RL6. I'll do the same way for RL2 to RL6. Let me do the same way. All the things I'm doing same way. This one. So you create the layouts and you specified when you create the asset master, it has to ask the cost center, it has to ask the capitalization date. The next step, define screen layouts for asset depreciation areas. Hello. Define screen layouts for asset depreciation areas. The next step. Now we are specifying when you create the asset master, what areas it has to show, what fields it has to show. Same path. Same path. Select 2000 screen layout depreciation on asset subnumber level. Double click on field group rules folder. Depreciation keys, select required entry radio button. Select class checkbox, main number checkbox, subnumber checkbox, copy checkbox. All four are selected. Save in your request. Why you are selecting 2000? Why you are not selecting 1000? See here, why we are not selecting 1000? We are selecting 2000 depreciation on asset subnumber level, not at main number level. The reason is like this. Depreciation on asset sub number level. Suppose I'm purchasing machine number 1. It takes 1-0, I told you. The capitalized, this is capitalized on 20th 8 2014, any date. So depreciation to calculate from 28th day 8 2014. You added motor, it takes 1-1. I told you sub number will be 1-1. This is capitalized on 17/11 2018. So the depreciation has to calculate from 17/11 2018, not from 28 2014. That's why depreciation to calculate on sub number level, not on the main number level. Now we have to create accounts. What accounts you have to create, what parameters you have to follow, I'll tell you. Creation of 15 general ledger masters. What accounts you have to create, I'll tell you first. We purchase like asset, like land. GL account number 2 lakh land. Which account to copy? I'm copying Sunday debtors 200 So land will come under fixed assets account group. The range is 2 lakh to 2 lakh 99. Reconciliation account for account type assets. SAP key 018 asset number. Field status group G067 reconciliation accounts. These are the parameters you have to maintain. Next number 2 lakh 5 buildings. For buildings, you have to copy land account, same land account. So all the parameters are same, ditto, same as above. Plant and machinery, I copy land, I create the same account. Because we purchase plant and machinery, we purchase buildings, because that's why we are creating the accounts. What are account determination I have specified. We are purchasing furniture and fixtures. Same ditto land, copy land, same parameters. Vehicles, same way. Capital work in progress, same way. So under fixed assets account group, we have to create 6 accounts like this, 6 accounts like this. Because you purchase furniture, fixtures, you purchase vehicles, it can be anything. Then coming to depreciation. First account, next account, 7th account, 100, 200 accumulated depreciation buildings. For land, there is no depreciation. For capital work in progress, no depreciation. So we are getting 100, 200 accumulated depreciation buildings. We copy land account. This description, accumulated depreciation account group, 100, 200 to 100, 299. Reconciliation account for account type assets. SAT key 018. Field status group G067. Next account 100, 205. Accumulated depreciation plant and machinery. We copy 100, 200 accumulated depreciation buildings. The same parameters. Then we create 100, 210 accumulated depreciation furniture and fixtures. I copy buildings, same parameters. Next, accumulated depreciation vehicles. I copy buildings, same parameters. 4 accounts we are creating under accumulated depreciation group. And already I told you, no depreciation for land, no depreciation for capital work in progress. Then we create 30102 asset sale. Actually, here why we are creating under 300 asset sale account, why you have to create under another income, I'll cover afterwards when you go for asset sale. I copy exchange gain account and create. It should be other income group. 300, 102, 300, 199. SAT key 018 asset number. Field status group G052, that is accounts for fixed assets retirement. Why we have to use this account group, I'll tell you at the time of asset sale. Then when you sell the asset, there can be profit or there can be a loss. So profit on asset sale, I'm copying 300, 100 and create. Same group, other income, 300, 100 to 199, sort key 018, field status group G001, general. So when you sell the asset, there can be a profit or there can be a loss. In case of loss, it has to go to 4 series. In case of profit, it has to go to 3 series. Now, 13th account, loss on asset sale. We copy 30103 and create so that some noise is coming. The 40302 loss on asset sale. We copy 30103 profit on asset sale and create. So this is the expenditure. So administration group 400, 300 to 399, sort key 018, field status group 0, G001. So when you sell, there can be profit or loss. Sometimes you scrap the asset, your choice, but generally we are creating the account and assigning. If it is there, then only it takes. Loss due to scrapping. I copy 400, 302 and create. The same parameters, same parameters. 15th account, 400, 500, depreciation account. So what are the entry we pass for depreciation? Depreciation account, expenditure 4 series, create to accumulate depreciation 1 series. So depreciation account, I copy same 400, 302, but the group will be depreciation account group 400, 500 to 599, sort key 018, field status group G001, general. So these are the parameters we maintain. These are the parameters we maintain. So now let me create this 15 accounts. Let me create the 15 accounts. Now, first account I'm creating is 2 lakh land. FS00, already you know FS00. Account 2 lakh land. Select with template button. To the account 210 Sunday debtors. Account group, fixed assets account group. Short text and long text land. This is an account for account type assets. Sort key 018 asset number. Field status group G067 reconciliation accounts. This is the first account. Second account 2 lakh 5 buildings. Copy 2 lakh land. All the parameters are same, only change the description buildings. You can use 1 lakh or 2 lakh 1 also, your choice. Third account 2 lakh 10. Copy 2 lakh. Plant and machinery. 2,15,000 furniture and fixtures. Two lakh 20 vehicles. 2,25,000 capital work in progress. Next 100, 200 accumulated depreciation buildings. Copy 2 lakh. Account group is accumulated depreciation account group. Accumulated depreciation buildings. Same. 100, 205 accumulated depreciation plant and machinery. Copy 100, 200. Depreciation plant and machinery. One hundred two 210 accumulated depreciation furniture fixtures. Copy same. Fixtures. One hundred 215 accumulated depreciation vehicles. Now we have created total 10 accounts. Now 11th account 30102 asset sale account. Copy 300 exchange gain. Sale account. SAP key 018 asset number. Field status group G052. I told you G052 accounts for fixed asset retirement. accounts for fixed asset retirement. Why we would use this G050 I'll cover when you go for asset sale. Next, GL account 30103. Copy 301 SAP will be description will be profit on asset sale. SAP key 018 asset number G001. Next number 40302 loss on asset sale. Copy 30103. So all the fields are same. We would only change the account group and description. Account group administration. Change short text and long text loss on asset sale. Next 40303 loss due to scrapping. Copy 40302. $400 $500 depreciation. Account group is depreciation group. SAP key 018 already it's copied automatically. Field strategy go same. One description out change. So these are the 15 accounts you have to create. Now you have to assign the accounts for automatic postings. Now we are doing the fourth step. Fourth step, what you have done for account determination, we assign the GL accounts based on the nature of transaction. So in case of purchase, which account? In case of depreciation, which account? In case of accumulated depreciation, which account? In case of profit on sale, which account? Loss on sale, which account? That you assign like this. You're doing the fourth step in the flow, whatever you discussed earlier. Assignment of accounts for automatic postings. The path is SPRO, financial accounting in brackets new. Set accounting integration with general ledger accounting. Assign GL accounts. Chart of accounts RIL enter. The chart of depreciation RIL. Chart of depreciation RIL and enter. Try showing your chart of accounts. Select chart of accounts RIL. Double click on account elimination folder. Account elimination folder. Account elimination, select RIL 10,000 land. What are you created? RIL 10,000 land. Double click on balance sheet accounts folder. Balance sheet account APC, select account number 2 lakh land. Land. We have created land account in case of purchase. What are you discussing the theory part? In case of loss made on asset retirement without revenue. Suppose there is a loss of land. It's only assigning. If it is applicable, then only it takes. Loss made on asset retirement without revenue. That is loss due to scrapping. You have created the account like this. 4 lakh 303 loss due to scrapping. Clearing account revenue from asset sale. Sale account. What is the asset sale account you have created? 30102 asset sale account. In from asset sale 30103 profit on asset sale. Loss from asset sale 40302 loss on asset sale. See here, without seeing the accounts we assigned, if I press enter, it shows the description: land, loss due to scrapping, asset sale, profit on asset sale, loss on asset sale. Save and ignore the message. Press enter to save in your request. Save. Ignore the message. Press enter to save in your request. For land, there is no depreciation. We are not assigning any accounts for land, depreciation accounts. Now we have to assign for buildings. That's why these are called account determinations. Double click on account determination folder. Account determination, select RAL 11,000 buildings. Double click on balance sheet accounts folder. Balance sheet account APC, select 2 lakh 5 buildings. What are you created? 2 lakh 5 buildings. Loss made on asset retirement without revenue, select 4 lakh 303 loss due to scrapping. Clearing account revenue from asset sale, select 30102 asset sale account. In from asset sale 30103 profit on asset sale. Loss from asset sale 40302 loss on asset sale. Save, ignore the message, press enter. Double click on depreciation folder. Accumulate depreciation account for online depreciation, select 102 not 100, 200. Now we are assigning depreciation accounts also. 100, 200, accumulated depreciation buildings. Accumulated depreciation buildings. Expense account for ordinary depreciation, 400, 500, depreciation account. 400, 500, depreciation account. Because of these assignments, the entries will be posted automatically. That's why we call it as account determination. Ignore the message, enter. Now we have assigned for buildings. Now we assign for plant and machinery. Double click on account determination folder. Select account determination RIL 20,000 plant and machinery. Double click on balance sheet accounts folder. Balance sheet account EPC. Select account number 210 plant and machinery. Loss made and asset retirement without revenue 40303, loss due to scrapping. Clearing account revenue from asset sale 30102, asset sale account. In from asset sale. Same accounts we are assigning. In from asset sale 30103. Loss from asset sale 400 302. Save. Double click on depreciation. In the depreciation account for ordinary depreciation 100 205, accumulated depreciation plant and machinery. Expense account for ordinary depreciation 400 500, depreciation account. Select save button, ignore the message, press enter. Now if you see the assignments, we are changing only two accounts. One is acquisition account or purchase account. Next one is accumulated depreciation account. Other accounts are same. Double click on account determination folder. Select account determination RIL 30,000 furniture and fixtures. Double click on balance sheet accounts folder. Balance sheet account APC. Select 2,15,000 furniture and fixtures. Now other accounts are same. Loss made on asset retirement without revenue 400 303. Clearing account revenue from asset sale 300 102. Gain from asset sale 300 103. Loss from asset sale 400 302. Double click on depreciation folder. Accumulated depreciation account for ordinary depreciation 100. Furniture fixtures 205 210. Expense account for ordinary depreciation 400 500. Save. Ignore the message. Press enter. Ignore the message. Enter. Double click on account elimination folder. Account elimination. Select RIL 31,000 vehicles. Double click on balance sheet accounts folder. Balance sheet account APC 2,20,000 vehicles. Loss made an asset retirement without revenue 403. Clearing account revenue from asset sale 301. Gain from asset sale 301. Loss from asset sale 403. Save. And if you don't save also, you can directly use depreciation folder. Double click on depreciation folder. Accumulate depreciation account for ordinary depreciation. Select 100 215. Accumulate depreciation vehicles. Expense account for ordinary depreciation 400 500. Depreciation. Select save button. Ignore the message. Press enter. Double click on account determination folder. Select account determination RIL 40,000 capital work in progress. Double click on balance sheet accounts folder. Balance sheet account APC 2,25,000 capital work in progress. Capital work in progress. What have you created? These accounts are common. And one more thing, even though sometimes what happens before commissioning the asset, you may sell. When you sell, there can be profit or loss, or you can scrap. So we are assigning the accounts. If it is applicable, it takes, otherwise it will not take. Loss made an asset retirement without revenue. Select 403. Loss due to scrapping. Clearing account revenue from asset sale 301 asset sale account. Gain from asset sale 301 profit on asset sale. Loss from asset sale 403 loss on asset sale. I told you for capital work in progress, there is no depreciation. We need not assign any accounts. So land and capital work in progress, no depreciation, no need to assign any accounts. Select save button, ignore the message, press enter to save in your request. Save button, ignore the message, enter. So yesterday we have completed the third step. Third step is what? In the account asset class, we specify the account denomination. Today you have completed the fourth step. What you have done? We have created the accounts for account determination. We have assigned the GL accounts for automatic postings. Because of this assignment, when you post to the asset, it updates automatically, which we are going to see at the end user area afterwards. So this we have created the accounts and assigned accounts. This continuation will take up in tomorrow's session. Okay. Thank you very much.